This question is intended to be interactive. I'm going to show you how to use the applet on the left to find the answers to these questions. We're going to start with reflectional symmetry. So I'm going to turn on the line of reflection, and then I'm going to use this dot to move it around. The first one we have in our question is the horizontal line across. And as you can see, it folds completely over itself. So if I turn a little bit, it doesn't match up. But if I do my line horizontally, it works. So that is a line of reflection. Now I'm going to take it diagonal. A lot of students think that this will work, but as you can see, they don't exactly match up. Other diagonal, and we get the same results. And then I'm going to take and do the vertical fold. And again, we have a matchup, so this one works. That's reflectional symmetry. Now let's take a look at rotational symmetry. In rotational symmetry, we have order and angle. To find order, count the number of times the shape matches as you rotate 360 degrees. So I'll slide this. That's 1, 2. The order of this rectangle is 2 because it matches itself twice when rotating from 0 to 360. After you have the order, you can use that number to determine the angle. This is the minimum number of degrees needed to rotate a figure back onto itself. So 360 divided by 2 gives me 180. So this rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. It has an order of 2, meaning it rotates onto itself twice, and the angle is 180 degrees. To answer these questions for the remaining figures, you can push the parallelogram and then the square to find its reflectional and rotational symmetry. If a figure lands back on itself only once at 360, it has no rotational symmetry. If there is no rotational symmetry, enter D, N, E for the order and the angle.